Makara neshangwa makenke kachika. Direction zayo tutandikira ha barracks makenke opposite tungamira roofings. Then mission bano rebe byapa bikolekana NATAAHA hotels. It's just nakanya kache kurugango tokuhika hotel.
Okay.
Twine food zitu testing aje munonga. Room zito buraro n'ubulungi bwine breakfast rooms free of charge. In a DSTVs, in a free Wi-Fi, mbwene bwingi munongo bokushanga omunda.
NKORE Media niyo yonka yo kushanga hebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati NKORE Media bira nkore.
Wow, hato bwe twigura wote yit.
Yeah. So
ejini yo hotel yitu ya Makara NATAAHA.
Yeah, Makara NATAAHA hotels.
Kitanda chitu eria ne kabada ninga ni wardrobe. Hariho na biburi njijo. Wow.
So this is a deluxe. This agenda for 200. Ekikujimakinga 200. Bularo n'obuhango and in outside view. So asa kukwata nanka. So hateji ne agenda for 200, but 200 still nimbasa kushara ntubasaganira. Yeah, na yerho breakfast bulchimo Wi-Fi DSTV nebindi binjo munda.
NKORE Media TV, thank you so much for watching. Ijuka tu subscribinga otureke rukundo. Amazina nkabutosha ni banyeta Joana. Erizoba twabaretera oburaro burungi. Oburaro burungi buri aho muri Mbarara nibabweta Makara NATAAHA Hotel. Makara NATAAHA Hotel batweta press okwija omu grand opening yabo bakoreka abantu okwe bichi byibine bichi bibakora nakwakira katugambeho nabamwe bakora na NATAAHA Makara NATAAHA Hotel nakwakira sebo.
Yeah, banyeta Mwesigwa Isaac, the receptionist wa Makara NATAAHA Hotels. Yeah.
Okay. Nakwakira Isaac. Makara neshangwa hi.
Makara neshangwa makenke kachika. Direction zayo tutandikira ha barracks makenke opposite tungamira roofings. Then mission bano rebe byapa bikolekana NATAAHA hotels. It's just nakanya kache kurugango tokuhika hotel.
Okay. Isaac, Makara NATAAHA netwabuhereza ki?
Ubuhereza buno bwingi munonga nimbasa kugambira. Ubuherezo bwingi ekinakubasa kutandikiraho twine food zitu testing aje munonga. Room zito buraro n'ubulungi bwine breakfast rooms free of charge. In a DSTVs, in a free Wi-Fi, mbwene bwingi munongo bokushanga omunda.
Ni bintu ki ebyentaniso bimwine ha buraro oburya herwo okwe?
Ekinakubasa kugamba ekinakubasa kintu kizabandi. Room zitu ahiziri zine privacy ya man munonga. In privacy nungi munonga kinakubasa kujya ntubasa kukiza abandi bantu. Hantu hekikire na hantu aho na mitine rwari na hantu kandi turahare na nenguto turahare na netawuni mwe ntaro kuyomba twine privacy ya man kinakubasa tukiza abantu bona munonga. Na ohirona necho na room zitu noja kwa nozireba room zitu nungi munonga.
Environment is
very friendly munonga kinakubasa kugambira.
Okay. Abantu nibakira kuza omburaro okwa heru ningo mu hotel nyingi bashanga bari ebiku nizo bed bags obo mu runyankore ntubyeta tuta
obuguna
Obuguguna. Okay. Bakaribu obuguguna. How would you advise nkiwe ayino buraro burungi? How would you advise other people okuba nibagiro buraro burungi butine buguguna?
Hati nimbasa ko cyo kurebera ho nkitwe icyo nicyo twabandize gukora ho munonga room zitu zine insect repellents nzibanize bingo ubukoko burkakoko kona kona kakushika mu room no kotarire mu katimba tarumunsiri tarumubuguna tarumuje andi n'amashuka gaitu gal clean tugoze burudakika waheza kushora tukureplacingira so cyo nicyo twabandize kurwana ho mu biyonjo mu room zitu tarukakoko kona kakubasa kurubatamo.
Omukuru Isaac ninyenda kubuza imwe nimukora muta hakumea ebintu by'abantu kushanga batabiba like ebintu by'abantu tibyabura because abantu abinjiri bakira kuzo mu hotels ba complaining ha bintu byabo theft ne yamani mnonga na nekindi abantu nibenda bazo mwanya guba kumanya nti tokuza kuhereza another person room key because hotels nyingi omuntu nabasa kwija claiming nti ni manya Joana hati obamugira nti izo mu room number 1 a Joana ni mwari kumbe Joana abira takwenda bamushange yo mu hotel ejo ni buhabuziki bwo kuhereza abantu abine oburaro ha first privacy y'abantu because ne kintu kikuru mnonga mu hotel and management hamwe na kitwa gamba hecho kwiba echa theft
hate kitwa abanze gukora ningasha kinakubasa kwaura habandi ni security echo kubanza makara twine security ari kumara mnonga
nareba card
exactly hate jo card ninyo kujicontrollinga nyenkananka ha reception and nkoko kunyeta mwese bwa ndiyo mwese bwa yeah so ejo card nyenko kujicontrollinga one oreba no like inbyo kubangansa you register your things twine registration form ha desk yanje abasa kujo register nje bintu yo ninga shino asabye room yanje mutagitegura mugereke cause tubina ba customer nejagira ataha tunkwenda housekeeper mu room yanje it is very fine nimbala tinga mbaje mutakata hamweje room ejineje ushumuzo nyenko kubandi bine card tukoze sa card twine ushumuzo it is just one card and ejo card nimanje hireshaza ine kike expiring yeah so ekira kubasa kwabura habandi privacy first and security ekitwina amwe nekikumara yo security
ninyenda kubuza card wabo ni wari kubajine wenka
ninyenko banjine
hati nywe yataho mu hotel ninyigura ntanshinga ndi kwenda kugenda
echo kubanza card wako takashwire card yawe no banzo gireto gihandi ngo vatebo ya cause tunkwasa features and nekindi jo card waheza kujinaga yuno shashura ya no shashura ni kutayimuzinga muri times 2 yo so waheza kushoroti no direka a desk yanje ejo card waheza gakanga kanjikwata njikuhereza ya ineshaza ine expiring agakanji renewing
ni zirinkezi card is a entrance organization ninga shomu bank
exactly so hata kan twina chaman kandi chenjawuro enyigize tuzanazikoza cards
mbweno muntu naba aine privacy
munonga
okay hati ekindi omwami mwese kamheru niko ndiyo kugamba niko ndiyo naba ninyenda kwijaha nata makara nata nibakira kugira nti oburaro bwanyo bubonire ntukonka akasente ne karya higuru munonga so nimbasa kunsharabo harbo discount
hati abantu abinja bakujya mu kwinji munonga nabatakizire kurara kwa bato muntu washanga umuntu agetora urira najya tumba nakasente kake munonga kozi nakujya nturumu yitwa breakfast and breakfast itwaiza kugira ho yonga bakubasa no kukikiraza so akasente tukamani and muri Uganda umutine cyo batakushara tikirutine kintu cyo nekitine discount no kuba no guraki so we can bargain tachita kubagaining wala kujya ntezi nezi twasa kubagaining byo tanye nejana naka twikiraza no byami akuti wasa kwimabura kugiro kuweje ntoko basagarika yinote kwa kubyama yeah
okay hati ragira abantu makara nataha neshangwa hi muheru uri kusima hamwe no kusibura
makara nataha hotels neshangwa makenke kachika mutungana ha roofings nakanya kache kurga main kushikana makara hotels nipendana no kusima abakutagira mwebare munongo murimo gumukorano gw'amanu munonga and tuyinjira kubeta mwije n'abatakiza Nataha hotels mwe nimwija kureba ikintu cy'amanu munonga kikukira ibindi byona. So abataka bakwenda kutumanya kwa heru abatakubasa kweshikira haha inamba zesumu 0 MTN 0771 999 159 Airtel 075 75 again 49779 mbasa no kuchanga www.natahotels.com.
Okay. Yeah. Webale Mlunga Isaac. Ankole Media TV, thank you so much for watching. Nasigarandi Joana, program yitu ya 1-on-1 twaba twine aba Makara Nataha Hotels bakuyigura hotel yitu bakujoreka abantu nti bantu mwe nitwe turi in existence mwije mubahagire bine oburaro burungi munonga omurungi ari kutureba. Thank you so much for watching Ankole Media TV. Twatayaira aba Makara Nataha Hotel, one of the best hotels in Mbarara. Iwari kwendo buraro oburungi. Makara Nataha Hotel is the place to be. Nkabutosha amazina ndi Joana Natayaisa Omujenyi. My guest, you're welcome on Ankole Media TV.
Thank you so much. I am by the name of Taiwa Alvin, and I'm the head of operations at Makara Nataha Hotel. Okay. And we are very pleased to host you here.
Okay. What services does Makara Nataha Hotel offer?
Makara Nataha Hotel offers a variety of services. What we mostly specialize in is accommodation. Okay. We have 11 units, fully functional. They are single rooms at very affordable prices, from 150 to 180 per night. That's for single stay. But if you come for an extended stay for over a week, we'll of course give you a discount at 100k per night. Yeah. Then we also have a restaurant with a very good chef who prepares very nice meals. Then we also have a bar for those who like getting excited with drinks. Fully stacked, whatever you can imagine is there, whatever you can think of is there. Yeah.
Okay. Where is Makara Nataha located?
It's located in Makenke, next to the barracks, of course in Mbarara.
Okay. What makes you different from other service providers?
Alright. So what makes us different from other service providers in our current location, I won't compare it on a countrywide basis. Yeah, but basing on where we basing
in Mbarara.
Okay, what makes us different from other service providers? Yeah. There's some category of services we offer: accommodation, restaurant and bar. We have quick services. We have one of the most talented chefs in Mbarara.
And privacy. This place is so private.
Privacy wise, we have a lot of privacy. It has some distance from the main road. Yeah. And those who come here for other intentions, no one is going to see you, no one is going to know what you're up to. And privacy is there. Though we have security cameras, but of course only in public places. In rooms we do not have, in units we do not have. So you don't see what other people so you're least assured of privacy.
Okay. One quick word that you can give out there to people who are watching us, like thanking them for supporting Makara Nataha Hotel.
Number one, I want to thank our long-term customers. You know, we have those customers, and let me give an example of the date today. It's 4th. You know that every year on 4th April, this client comes, books a room for like a week, and then goes. So I want to thank our long-term clients who are fully committed, the ones who have appreciated our services. And I also want to call to, I just want to call upon those people who just pass by and don't know where we are located. Now you know our location. We are located in Makenke, next to the barracks. So the next time you have a tour, a visit, or an occasion here in Mbarara, you can always pass by. We have the best services. We also offer venues for weddings, graduation, birthday parties. You can offer all that. Yeah.
And the sauna and the steam bath, are they available?
So the sauna and steam bath are being launched 4 months from now. You will pass by. We shall have all the services: sauna, spa, gym, and a pool. Preparations are underway. There's a site, everything is being constructed. So our projection is from now, 4 months, the 5th month and the 4th, everything will be open for the function.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Okay. NKORE Media TV, thank you so much for watching. Mwebale not to subscribing and making us #1. Until next time, bye bye.
NKORE Media niyo yonka yokushanga ebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati NKORE Media, vira NKORE.